Hi, welcome to Living Lotus Yoga Online. I'm Carole. Today I wanted to go through this fun little sequence that I've created with a yoga block that's going to really work your core. I actually featured this on my Instagram a while back and got tons of questions, so I thought why not break it down here with a little bit more detail. You're going to need a yoga block and then come onto your mat and we'll get started. So grab a hold of your yoga block and come onto your back. We're going to be on your back for all 4 of these exercises as I break them down for you. The first one is about targeting your abdominals, your deep core abdominals, your transverse abdominis. We are going to be bending and extending our arms and legs. So as you come on down, the block comes just below the knees onto the thighs, and then the elbows come on top of this. Squeeze into the block, draw your navel into your spine. Elbows press, thighs press. Bend the arms, bend the knees. Lower your head, take a breath. Exhale and come on up. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Keep pressing into the block. And again, come on down. So you can go through that about 6 to 8 times, but you're gonna notice there's a heck of a lot going on in the abs there. It's quite a powerful exercise. The next one, we lower our back onto the mat. We bring the block right between the thighs. Squeeze the block. This one is great for your hip adductors. We're also going to work the posterior chain as we play with bridge pose as well. So arms out to your side, palms down. Want to stabilize the shoulders. Take a breath in, engage core and lift feet. Knees stay bent. So you're going to really squeeze the block here so that we're targeting that inner hip area. We're going to take the legs over to one side, little twist, window wipers, bring it back. Now feet come to mat, and we're going to press, lift pelvis, bridge, bring it down, feet come back up, window wiper to the other side. Bring it back, drop it down, come up. And we just keep repeating. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and we bring it back, exhale. We're going to do that about 6 to 8 times. Next exercise that we're going to come on into is our 100. So for this, block comes right back between the thighs. We're going to squeeze into the block. Sitting tall, reach out in front, lower down, simple roll back. You can add this roll back in or you can stay on your back. That's really up to you. For your 100, draw that belly button towards your spine. Now we'll bend the knees or we'll extend the legs. This is preference to each individual, but I want you to really work on squeezing the block. So that might mean we keep knees bent. We peel the upper back off, hands to the sides, float the palms, little pulses. In for 5. Out for 5. Squeeze that block. Extend the legs if you wish, but keep your lower back grounded. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And just like the name, we do this for 100 pulses. Last exercise, single leg circles. Don't drop the block. I actually advise if you have a cork block, you may want to put that one off to the side and bring a foam block in, because if you do drop the block, foam's going to hurt a lot less. So you're going to bring the block to the sole of the foot, extend your leg to the ceiling, core engages here, nice and strong. Arms by your sides, ground your shoulders. You're going to send that other leg all the way up to the ceiling. Point your toes. So, leg with the block, it's not going anywhere. We're going to keep it strong and engaged. That's going to help to actually keep your core engaged. It's going to work your lower abdominals, and it's going to strengthen your hip. Meanwhile, range of motion and mobility and targeting obliques and the core with the leg that's moving. Simple, simple, not so simple. Single leg circles. Down to the side and back up. So you'll notice as you come into your single leg circles, they may not be as big as they generally are. 1, that's because the extended leg is in the way. 2, that is because you're trying to balance a block on your foot. Remember to reverse your circles before you switch it up and go the other way. Gently bring that foot down Grab a hold of your block and take it to the other side when you're ready. So, hope you enjoyed that great little routine, fun sequence. Hope it brings a little bit of spice and variety to your exercise practice. Thanks for checking out today. Namaste.